Hi, I'm Victor Bagan and welcome to Odessa College. Thanks to COVID-19, we're doing our filming here in college, and sadly, I'm missing my lovely partner. Today especially because this is a schnitzel coming from Germany, Austria, Switzerland, which I know she would love. Anyway, so I'm sure she's watching. We're using pork, and frankly, you can cut your pork, batten it nice and thin, or you can do what I do, which is cheat, go to the grocery store and buy these amazingly thin pieces of pork, which saves you an awful lot of work. And all we're going to do is bread it. So we flour, egg, breadcrumb, and these breadcrumbs are actually breadcrumbs that I made here. I keep the heels of the breads and chop them up when they get dry, and away we go. So once that's done, we now transfer that to our pan and we cook it till it's lightly golden brown. Now this is only going to take literally a couple of minutes either side, and as you can see, I've already got that done. Goes onto my plate. I have a few onions, and if you want to do this with chicken, do it with chicken. In fact, as you'll see from my recipe, you can actually pretty much do this with any piece of meat that's battened thinly. I don't know how I would do it with beef, but hey. And for those who are interested, the term Jäger actually is German and means hunter. Got my mushrooms. And again, I'm using my famous cremini mushrooms because those are the ones I like. We're just going to get those nicely cooked. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. So as you can see, this is a real quick dish. Serve something on the side, a few dumplings. Germans, Austrians will call them Spätzle, and who knows, maybe in another episode, that's what we'll do. There we go, those are just about where I want them, maybe just another couple of seconds. Turn my flame up. Now I'm going to add to that a little bit of beef broth, beef stock, bone broth, again, call it what you want. You don't need much. If you actually even wanted to put a little splash of red wine in here, you could do that too. I'm going to bring this to a full boil. Now at this point it's your choice. If you want to add a little cornstarch, which is what the recipe calls for, we can do that, which will just thicken. And all I've done here is just add this, my cornstarch, a little bit of water, just to make a slurry. And you all know me by now, I kind of work with my eye. And some nice sour cream. Gives it a little bit of acid, especially offsets the sweetness of our pork. We'll stir that in. It's good. Now we can put it straight on top of our pork, and we are basically good to go. As a Jäger Schnitzel. Enjoy.